What's up, everyone? Selena from Selena Sweat Studio here, and welcome back to the channel where we find tools that make everyday life simpler, cleaner, and more peaceful. If pet hair, dust, and sticky floors keep stressing you out and stealing your calm after a long day, or if you want floors that stay fresh so you can focus on self-care, family, or relaxation instead of constant cleaning, then stay with me. Today we're going deep into the robot vacuum and mop with LiDAR navigation. This smart combo brings strong suction, precise LiDAR mapping, self-emptying convenience, and effective mopping, so you can enjoy cleaner spaces with less chore time and more peace in your day. Check it out on Amazon through the link in the description, and let's see why this is a smart wellness upgrade for 2026. Let's dive deeper on the features. This robot vacuum and mop delivers strong suction that lifts pet hair, crumbs, dust, and debris from hard floors and carpets. The LiDAR navigation uses laser scanning to map your home accurately and plan efficient cleaning paths so it covers every area without missing spots or wasting time. The self-emptying station automatically empties the dustbin into a larger bag, so you only need to change it every few weeks. It has a mopping function with adjustable water flow and a mop pad that helps remove light stains and paw prints from hard floors. Advanced obstacle avoidance helps it gently navigate around furniture, toys, and pet bowls. The app gives you full control with room labeling, no-go zones, custom schedules, multi-floor mapping, and different cleaning modes. Battery runtime covers most average homes, it auto-docks and recharges, and setup is straightforward with no complicated wiring. Real-world performance is where it wins hearts for busy homes. The LiDAR mapping is precise and efficient once set up, covering rooms systematically without getting lost. The suction handles daily pet hair and messes reliably, and the mopping function leaves hard floors fresher with light stains removed. Reviewers with pets say the self-emptying station is a massive time saver because you don't have to empty the bin constantly. Obstacle avoidance works well around busy households, and the quiet operation lets you run it during work, meditation, or family time without distraction. The self-emptying feature keeps maintenance low, giving you back valuable time and energy for what you love. Pros and cons for the real talk. Pros include precise LiDAR navigation for smart mapping, self-emptying station for hands-free use, decent suction for pet hair and daily debris, mopping function with adjustable water levels, good app control with no-go zones and scheduling, reliable obstacle avoidance, and great value for a combo robot with self-emptying. Pet parents and busy families say it keeps floors noticeably cleaner with minimal effort. On the cons side, suction is good, but not the absolute highest on very thick carpets compared to premium models. The mopping is effective for light cleaning, but may require a second pass for stubborn stains. And the water tank needs refilling after larger areas. These are normal for mid-range robot vacuum and mop combos, and the pros far outweigh them for most households seeking convenience. My recommendation? Definitely yes. Pick up the robot vacuum and mop with LiDAR navigation if you want smart mapping, self-emptying convenience, and combined vacuuming and mopping without a high price tag. It's fantastic for pet owners, busy families, apartments, or anyone craving cleaner, calmer floors with less daily work. If these honest, smart home and wellness tool breakdowns are helping you create easier, calmer routines, subscribe for more weekly reviews. Click the affiliate link in the description. It scores you the best deal and supports the channel big time at no extra cost. Last thing, grab it via the link below for the best pricing, plus special promotional pricing from Selena Sweat Studio. Huge thanks for hanging out with me today. If this got you excited about easier floor cleaning, smash that like, share with your wellness crew, or subscribe to stay updated. You're awesome. See you soon.